Today, it's a very good day or a pleasing day for the Al-Share PU College. Yesterday, the results have been declared, and with the grace of the God, Al-Share College, a student, Bibi Safia, has secured the district topper, and we should praise her that she has taken 100 of 100 in 4 of the subjects. That's physics, chemistry, biology. Even in language, she has scored 100 of 100. In maths, 99. And because she is an Urdu medium girl, she has scored 93 in English. Otherwise, she would have scored 100 of 100 in each of the subject. The credit goes to all the students who have done very hard work. Along with that, even the faculties are very important who have taught them with such difficulty and taking a lot of stress and pain, and the results have come up. The PU College is one of the leading minority college of the whole district, and we are running from last 20 years, and every second or third year we get the district toppers. And again, I congratulate the parents who have put up a faith in this college, and inshallah, definitely we are with them, we are with the parents, we are here to see that every student, the student community will be given a very good education in this college. Secondly, now as the faculties and parents and the management, this combination of these two should be very good to see the flying colors of the result. Now I want to clear the student who have passed in Urdu medium or Kannada medium has nothing to be worried, because in the few days when they take the admissions in first year, they feel somewhat embarrassed, but later on we see when the final result or stretch is completed, Urdu medium, Kannada medium, English medium, ये सारे मिल जाएंगे, and the student who does the hard work will be on the lead. So once again, I thank all the community people, all the students community, work hard. Now we have got one more results of the NEET or JEE to come. I just given a open promise that I am with the students this year. Definitely Al-Share will be giving a very good results even in the NEET. With these few words, I also thank all my media persons, the students, the parents, and our principal and the staff for their efforts. Thank you, one and all.
Overall percentage of your college.
See, overall of percentage of college is 94 point odd. Okay, and out of which 7 students now where we have facilitated have scored more than 95%. Okay, and 21 students have scored out in many of the subject, 100 out of 100, 21 students have scored. And we can have, I think, 50 students have scored not less than 99 and all. In each subject I'm talking about. We have got a very good faculty, they are working hard, the results is on.
So how do you feel that you are being a head of the institution? How do you feel?
See, the intention of this college is to see that the students get benefited. We are here to see, even a few days back, I have done a podcast. In that, I have clearly mentioned that because the minorities are economically weak, we have set up a record that whatever the other colleges take the fees, I will give the same results in half of the fees. That's what I have proved. Okay, few days back I have given a podcast that I will be doing this, and Alhamdulillah today I have completed that. Again I am telling you, even in NEET and CET, I will carry out the same process. Whatever minimum I can take from the students, maximum I will give the results, this all.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the students, the stars of our college, who have shown the brightest in this PU results. The students, congratulations, beta. It was possible due to your dedication, hard work, and patience. Here I would like to single out बीबी सुफिया. बेटा आपने जो आपके सब्र से, लगन से और मेहनत से जो हासिल किया है, it will be inspiration for hundreds of students. ठीक है, आप ये मत समझिए ये सिर्फ आपका रिजल्ट है. आप कई स्टूडेंट्स के अभी मेंटर बन जाएंगे, आइडल बन जाएंगे. आपको देख के अगेन योर जूनियर्स विल ट्राई टू अचीव द मैक्सिमम फ्रॉम देयर साइड. अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट द स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स जो भी मेरे माँ बाप ने अब तक तैयार किया है इस 18-20 साल के सफर में, मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा दैट आई एम एबल टू फिल इन देयर शूज.
Assalamualaikum. I am Bibi Safia. I have secured 592 marks out of 600. That is 98.67% and first rank in Gulbarga district. सबसे पहले मैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि उसी की मेहरबानी से मैंने ये कामयाबी हासिल की. मैंने हार्ड वर्किंग, कंसिस्टेंसी और फैमिली और कॉलेज के लेक्चरर्स के सपोर्ट से ये कामयाबी हासिल की है. और कॉलेज वालों के मॉक टेस्ट एंड प्रिपरेटरी एग्जाम से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ. मैं प्रेसिडेंट सर का बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने बेहतर फैकल्टीज, हर सब्जेक्ट के लिए बेहतर फैकल्टीज प्रोवाइड किए.
टॉपर आने के लिए आपके स्टडीज में क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज और आपकी क्या हैबिट रही जो आपने अचीव किया एज ए टॉपर?
मैंने कभी अपना फोकस लॉस नहीं किया और डेली रूटीन फॉलो की और अपने गोल पर नज़र रखी. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये कामयाबी हासिल की है और इंशाल्लाह ऐसी ही मेहनत करती रहूँगी और बेहतर हासिल करने की कोशिश करूँगी. मैं अपने जूनियर्स को ये पैगाम देना चाहती हूँ कि वो भी मेहनत से और फोकस से अपनी स्टडीज़ को जारी रखें और टाइम मैनेजमेंट और पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस ये भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. और इसी तरह मेहनत से अपनी स्टडीज़ को जारी रखेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह वो भी ऐसे ही कामयाबी हासिल करेंगे.